Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 19th episode about JavaScript Basic. In the previous episode, we worked on the for loop, while loop and do while loop. Today, we'll work on the function. A function allows you to define a block of code, give it a name, and then execute as many times as you want. Now, let's get started. Open the 19th folder, create basic function, open start and main.js. First, add the function keyword, add the function name, my message for example. Inside these curly braces, we can add the block of code. For now, let's add console.log hello world. To execute this function, we have to call the function. You can call the function simply by adding the function name, my message. To check the preview, open the browser, open the developer tool, go to console and refresh the page. You should see hello world over here. You can call this function as many times as you want. Let's call my message again. If you check the browser, you should see another hello world over here. Now, let's check another way of creating a function expression. Here, we have to declare a variable first. So let's add a variable my function, add a function keyword and a function name, my new message, then add console.log my message. Now, when calling the function, instead of adding the function name, we have to add the variable name. So it should be my function. Open the browser and refresh the page. You should see my message over here. It is not necessary to add the function name. You can simply remove the name and you still see the same result. But it is best practice to add function name if you want to debug the code. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll pass information to the function. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link below. Thank you and see you soon.